There are multiple ways a consumer can access the dealer's concierge application. 1. The dealer's representative manually enters the consumer's information in TDC's manager's dashboard, and the consumer receives an email with instructions. 2. The consumer locates the app using pre-printed postcards with specific QR codes. These codes direct the consumer to the web page where they create an account. 3. The customer downloads the app directly from the App Store, provided they have created an account already. 4. The consumer enters their information on the dealer's concierge landing page from your company's website. This landing page contains 3 options for the consumer. They can choose to simply enter their information and create an inquiry, create a pre-qualification application inquiry, or use the dealer's concierge option. The 4th option is also available for the dealers who use Roadster. The short video description of TDC's functionality is available to the consumer. The goal of the TDC landing page is to capture a lead regardless of whether the consumer wants to use the dealer's concierge. All the above actions trigger an automatic welcome email to the customer with instructions and next steps. The consumer can then log into their account using their email address and the password. Note: although consumers can download the app directly from the App Store, it should not be the preferred method. As the dealer's representative, you will always want to send them a link or QR code, which will link your dealership to this consumer. Tip: give the consumer a brief overview of the dealer's concierge application during your initial conversation. It is a very non-confrontational way to open a conversation and build a rapport with the consumer. Plus, the information they provide can help you to assist them better with their purchase. Some of the points to help them understand the dealer's concierge are: it is a tool designed to streamline the paperwork required for purchasing a vehicle. Using the dealer's concierge will save them time later if they decide to make a purchase. There is no obligation to purchase anything until they are ready. There is a series of basic information gathering steps they will go through. Their data is secure, and they can view all the documents with a click of a button. Advise the consumer to read carefully through the prompts and follow the instructions. Provide all the correct information from the start to avoid mistakes in the paperwork later. Have their ID before they start, and trade in vehicle information if they have a trade. Provide as much information as possible using the app to save time later. Make sure you mention your name, and if they are at the dealership, write it down for them, so they can accurately choose the dealer's representative during the sign-up process. Although you can change it later in the process, it is more efficient to enter the proper information from the start.